Hello, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. Just got a few quick tips for you if you are thinking about finishing your basement or doing a remodel project. The first one is do a radon test before you start the project. And then the second one is if your house tests high for radon, make sure you fix it before you finish the project. We get calls all the time, hey, I just finished my basement and the radon tested high. I would much rather go there before the basement's finished because we can design and install a much better system that is going to reduce your radon levels lower, and we're going to be able to hide everything and run pipes where we couldn't normally run pipes if the basement's finished. So let's take a look at a few things on this house. So here the homeowner's replacing the carpeting, and it's a great opportunity to seal cracks like this and like that. So here the homeowner deleted a chimney, he rearranged some bathrooms, moved some walls, got rid of a closet or two. So here we could have ran a pipe, inside the wall. It could have been incorporated, framed around, insulated around, quiet it down. Now our only option is to go up through like a corner of a closet. So it takes up a little bit of room in the closet, but if we had thought ahead, we could have built it right in and it would have disappeared in a wall. Always think ahead.